फिजाएं करती है वंदना, ये फूल ये फिजाएं करती है वंदना। जिसने सजाया सारे जगत को उसकी आराधना, जिसने सजाया सारे जगत को उसकी आराधना। ये फूल ये फिजाएं करती है वंदना, ये फूल ये फिजाएं करती है वंदना। जब आता है सवेरा, सूरज की पहली किरणों से जब आता है सवेरा, पंछी मधुर स्वर से करते आराधना, पंछी मधुर स्वर से करते आराधना। ये फूल ये फिजाएं करती है वंदना, ये फूल ये फिजाएं करती है वंदना। दिन ढलने के बाद जब फिर आता है अंधेरा, दिन ढलने के बाद जब फिर आता है अंधेरा, चाँद सितारे भी।
I would like to advise the parents and also the teachers that you play a very crucial role in allowing your children to have the freedom, and let the children decide what exactly they want. But I want the teachers and the parents to give them the freedom of understanding what exactly they want. So this is where you are going to allow the child or the child to grow big by giving him the freedom that he is going to achieve the success of what he wants. So these are all the very important factors. I do not wish to speak high about at the moment regarding what's happening in the procedure of admissions, procedure of taking children, the kind of enforcement which is being applied, that you have to carry big bags, etc., etc. These are all which are being built upon the student. No, the student has to go through the computer knowledge, and I would like this international school to take up, which is already providing computers at the class of 1 level, and taking into account of the ICSE in the school which I studied was Hyderabad Public School, where I had this ICSE. So it was Indian School Certificate then, it was called ISC. I think it's a branch of it. Cambridge and Oxford are also a part and parcel of this kind of an organization. So when we really move forward, taking in view of the competitive spirit and the kind of work knowledge which can be generated and which is needed in this society today, I would like the teaching faculty and the parents, give your best, allow the children to grow on their own, and let them concentrate to the extent of 70% of their concentration on work, on study, and rest of the 30% let them concentrate on sports and their individual.
That Sri International School has been recognized by the Cambridge University. On this occasion, the staff and the management would like to felicitate the Navaratnas, the eminent personalities of the various scientific organizations. Firstly, I call upon now Dr. R. Kalidas, Chairman and Chief Executive, formerly Nuclear Fuel Complex, and the outstanding scientists of the Department of Atomic Energy to come out to the dais and receive the felicitation. Dr. Kalidas had made immense contributions to the nuclear science and engineering. On this occasion, the Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University last year has honored him with a doctorate. I request all of you to give a thunderous applause for the felicitation. Minister Gari, Vinod Gari, Amrut Hastala Meedaga, అమృత హస్తాల మీదుగా వారికి పూలమాలంకృతులు చేస్తున్నారు. వారు సంస్థ వారు శాలువతో వారిని సత్కారణ. వారికి సంస్థ జ్ఞాపికతో వారిని గౌరవిస్తున్నారు మీ కరతాళ ధ్వనుల మధ్య. ఇండియన్ బోర్డ్ ఆఫ్ డైరెక్టర్స్ పౌడర్ మెటలర్జికల్ ఇండస్ట్రీ మంత్రి గారి అమృత హస్తాల మీదుగా పూలమాల, శాలువ మరియు సంస్థ జ్ఞాపికని వారికి సంస్థ తరఫున సత్కరించుకుంటున్నారు మీ కరతాళ ధ్వనుల మధ్య. వారి పూలమాలాకృతులు చేస్తున్నారు. శాలువ సత్కారణ వారి యొక్క అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్స్ కి శ్రీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ వారు వారిని సత్కరించుకోవడం మహత్భాగ్యంగా భావిస్తున్నారు. సంస్థ జ్ఞాపిక మీ కరతాళ ధ్వనుల మధ్య.
తమ్ముడు మాధవరెడ్డి
రాజు స్టంట్. I request all of you to give a thunderous applause. మంత్రివర్యుల చేతుల మీదుగా శాలువాతో సత్కారణ, జ్ఞాపిక బహుకరణ కూడా మీ యొక్క హర్షధ్వానాల మధ్య.
Of Sri International School to go to the audience and make a clap for this member.